Welcome back MK Car Reviews. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic, brutal, loud, and unapologetically American muscle cars ever created. This is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, a machine built with one mission in mind: deliver outrageous performance, unmatched road presence, and the kind of power that makes your heart race before you even hit the start button. In a world where muscle cars are fading out and electric vehicles are taking over, the Hellcat stands tall as the last roar of a dying breed, and today we're breaking down everything: performance, real-world driving feel, features, and of course, the current market prices here in the USA. When you walk up to a Hellcat, the first thing that hits you is the sheer size and aggression. This isn't a sleek, aerodynamic sports car trying to look futuristic. This is a muscular brick with attitude. The Widebody flares, the massive hood scoop, the dual snorkel design, and the Hellcat badge on the fenders tell you one thing: this car means business. Dodge didn't care about subtle styling, they built the Hellcat to intimidate, and it absolutely succeeds. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The SRT Hellcat is powered by a 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 that produces an insane 717 horsepower and around 656 lb-ft of torque. And if you've ever heard a Hellcat start cold in the morning, you already know it sounds like pure chaos. That supercharger whine combined with the deep V8 rumble is one of the most addictive soundtracks you'll ever hear. The moment you tap the throttle, the car surges forward with violent force, pushing you back into the seats like a jet taking off. On paper, the Hellcat is capable of hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.6 seconds, which is insane for a car this big. The quarter-mile flies by in low 11s, and with the right tires and conditions, some drivers even break into the 10s. But the Hellcat isn't designed to be the world's best track car. It's designed to deliver raw emotion, brutal acceleration, and the kind of power that feels uncontrollable in the best possible way. You don't drive a Hellcat, you tame it. When it comes to the driving experience, the Hellcat is a unique blend of old-school muscle and modern engineering. The steering is comfortable and surprisingly refined at highway speeds, but the moment you floor it, the rear tires instantly remind you who's in charge. Even with modern traction control systems, the Hellcat loves to spin, slide, and smoke the tires whenever you ask it to. Dodge knew exactly what they were doing. This car is built for fun, for adrenaline, and for giving the driver that classic muscle car thrill that's almost impossible to find today. Inside the cabin, Dodge gives you a surprisingly comfortable and well-built interior. You get big, supportive SRT performance seats with the Hellcat logo stitched in, a flat-bottom steering wheel, red gauges that just scream performance, and Dodge's Uconnect infotainment system with an 8.4-inch touchscreen. And let's not forget the famous SRT performance pages that allow you to monitor horsepower, torque, G-force, timers, engine temps, and even real-time dyno readings. It's like having a full performance lab built right into the car. The Hellcat may be wild on the outside, but it's surprisingly practical on the inside. You get a large trunk, rear seats that are actually usable, and enough interior space to daily drive it if you're brave enough. But you also get one major downside: